Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home toolkits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER 12V Max Drill 60-piece home toolkit. It's hard to imagine any basic DIY project or household repair you couldn't tackle with the BLACK+DECKER 12V Max Drill 60-piece home toolkit. This handy toolkit contains not just the basic hand tools you'll reach for most often, but also a cordless drill that's perfect for all sorts of tasks like hanging pictures, installing shelves, electrical work, mixing paint, and more. We love the variety of tools included with this kit, which covers all the basics, including a hammer, screwdrivers, tape measure, pliers, wrench, ratcheting screwdriver with nut drivers, utility knife, and even a bubble level. Unlike basic kits like our best value pick, this set also comes with a BLACK+DECKER 12V Max cordless drill to help speed up a huge variety of household repairs, tasks, and projects. It even comes with 10 drill bits and 32 assorted screw-driving bits, which is a fantastic starter kit if you've never owned a drill and don't have any bits in your toolbox yet. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Craftsman 57-piece mechanics tool set. We love this Craftsman tool set because it contains everything you need for basic home and car repairs, all in one sturdy, compact box. This high-quality set comes with a lifetime warranty from Craftsman, 2 screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, with 21 bits, a tape measure, a hammer, hex keys, a utility knife, a richet, and an 11-piece socket set. The tools also have thoughtful features such as large size markings and comfortable grips. Plus, the included pliers are designed to help you work in tight spaces. While it would be nice if it included a drill, we think this set is a great value for both the quality and range of tools it provides. At number 3, we have the Anvil Homeowners 76-piece toolkit. If you are starting from scratch and just want all of the basics in one easy bundle, then you'll love the Anvil Home 76-piece toolkit. This handy set of tools includes all of the essentials, such as a hammer, pliers, adjustable wrench, tape measure, screwdrivers, utility knife, level, and much more. It even includes 4 clamps, an unusual find in a home toolkit. The kit includes a sturdy plastic storage case, which makes it easy to store in a closet, garage, or even under your bed. While you aren't going to carry out complex DIY projects with these tools, they are more than adequate for basic tasks and repairs around your home, such as tightening loose screws, hanging pictures, tackling minor plumbing repairs, or putting up curtain rods. There's even a bottle opener so you can enjoy a cold beverage once your project is complete. At number 2, we have the Jardineer 11-piece gardening toolkit. The Jardineer garden tool set is ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners. It includes 11 essential pieces for a container garden, houseplant, or small garden bed maintenance, including a garden trowel, transplanter, weeder, cultivator, hand rake, garden gloves, pruning shears, and more. Plus, it all fits in a rugged tote bag that you can carry out into the yard. These gardening tools are made from polished aluminum to resist rust, and they feature ergonomic handles to reduce fatigue and discomfort during long gardening sessions. We think it's a great set for gardeners of all skill levels, with a nice selection of tools, although we will note that the gloves are pretty large and may not fit everyone comfortably. The tote bag has 5 external pockets surrounding the spacious inner compartment that provides plenty of room for any other tools you want to add. We wish the bag was sturdy enough to stand up on its own, but you can cut a piece of cardboard to fit, or slide in a small bucket if you have one the right size to fix that. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cyclists 23-in-1 Bike Toolkit. Avid bike riders know the importance of having a comprehensive toolkit for maintenance, repairs, and adjustments. With the Cyclists 23-in-1 Bike Toolkit, you'll get just about everything you need to help you maintain, clean, adjust, and repair your bicycle for everyday use. Plus, it includes a sturdy plastic case to keep everything neatly organized and ready for use. What will you find in this kit? Tools include a chain rivet extractor, chain ring nut wrench, and metal tire lever, as well as screwdrivers, chain tools, a pedal wrench, a spoke wrench, pre-glued patch kits, and more. With these tools and some knowledge, there aren't too many bicycle repairs you won't be able to manage on your own, as well as tuning up your bike and performing regular maintenance. Just keep in mind that not all of the tools will fit different types of bikes, so you may find yourself having to buy an additional tool or two for some repairs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.